Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool from here, and basically what this is a waterproof phone pouch. You can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and if you guys turn to the back, they probably got some specs and features on here. But I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what actually looks like inside. So they basically probably got two of them and both of them are the same. So I'm only gonna show you guys one of them. But if you guys notice inside, they do provide guys two straps, one for each one of them. So I'm gonna open up one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys do fully set it up. So when you guys take out the strap, here is basically what it actually looks like. So all you guys need to do is kind of strap this on right here. And then once you guys strap it on, this is what the product looks like. So on the top part right here, we do have the brand logo, and then right here they provide guys two straps for you guys to tighten it up. So if you guys loosen it up on both sides, that will allow you guys to open it up and put your phone inside. But that is basically like the safety seal option, so that way none of the water can get in. But if you guys take out the piece of paper inside, basically what it is a user manual to teach you guys how to fully seal it up. So that way you can seal it up correctly and none of the water can leak in. If you guys notice for the pouch, it is a fully clear design, so that way you can see everything through it. So that is basically everything that's included in the product. Now I'm gonna put my phone inside to show you guys what the product looks like and test it out to show you guys whether or not the touch option still works. Alright, so right here I do have the iPhone 13 Pro. Let's put it inside. I'm gonna put it in with the case first to see when it actually fits. Alright, so once you put it inside, this is what the product looks like. So you can see when we put in our iPhone 13 Pro with the case in, it does fit. So what I'm gonna do is fully seal it up. Make sure you guys seal it correctly, because if you guys don't, then water can still get in. Snap in that side, snap in that side, and it's all set. So if you guys tap it, it still works. If I try to use the Face ID, it doesn't really work, probably because the bag is in the way. But if I do type in my passcode on here, it does work. If I try to scroll on here with the bag, you can see it definitely does work. So that way you can still use the phone even with the bag on. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now I'm actually going to do a quick waterproof test to show you guys whether or not the product is waterproof first, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have a tub of water. So I'm going to test it out to see whether or not it's actually waterproof. So let's dump it in. So you can see we do have the product fully submerged. Let's take it out and see if any of the water got in. So you can see none of the water got in, and the product is completely fine. So the waterproof pouch definitely does work if you guys do put it into water or something. Alright, come back guys. So you can see from the test, the product definitely does work if you guys fully submerge the product in water. But one thing to remember is that when you guys do use the product, if you guys use it in like salt water or any other water that's not like actual water, and if water leaks into the pouch, then it's not gonna be waterproof. But if you guys use it anywhere where it's only just water, like regular water, then it should be fine. But you can see from the test, the product definitely does work even if you guys fully submerge the product in water. So the product is fully waterproof. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are looking for a high quality waterproof pouch that you can use for your phone to keep it dry when you guys are using it for any kind of water sports or water activity. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.